Hey Angie, I've created the first time donors query, and it's a combination of three queries. So you can see I've stuck this under development, where you had some things here. So this first time donors here could probably be deleted, but there's like three basic queries that we needed to create. So the first query is going to be for so it kind of depends on the time frame we're looking at. So what I did was just to find all the first-time donors for this year, and this calendar year. So I can't remember if you guys are fiscal year is different or not. So this is January 1, 2014. Journal entry date. We're going to pull accounts back here, and then these different gift payment, recurring gift, pledges, recurring gifts. So the different types of gifts that actually could happen for Nehemiah. So I don't think, like, if we had soft credits and you were counting that or something like that, then we would have to look at it. But right now I didn't include those as a part of that. So that's that query. And then the second query is basically going to look for any donations ever. So that was just kind of looking at any kind of donations made this year. And then the second query is anyone making any donations ever before the day before that time frame that I just picked in the first query. So I had January 1st, so the day before that is December 31st right here. So same basic exact query as the one before it. Same gift types here, custom range I left empty on the front end here. So then that'll get us everyone that's made a donation prior to this year. So if we're changing the time frames to find out, this month, this week, last month, we can do that as well. And then there's a compound query that gets created that then kind of subtracts the first query or the second query from the first query. So pretty simple compound query here. So first time donors Rick is the name of the query that you're going to run now to get all the first time donors. Now I'm going to click on that and then just see how I'm locating it in this first section. All of the people who've made gifts this year, but then subtracting anyone that's given a donation ever before that, before this year. And then if we preview this, then there's like 300 and some first-time donors from this year, 363. So if you look through these, and you can test through some of these, they should only have one gift, or the gift started this year, kind of thing. So Sarah might not be good because all of those donations are coming in for the child sponsorship stuff. But if you go back, all the ones at the top or some others that I checked or just have their first gift ever, mostly will look like that. So look for that query, and then you can set up a report as well, but then we can talk about doing some thank yous. But I just want to show you that I've got that set up and where it is.